Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log in to Crunchyroll using your phone number. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Google and the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the search bar. You can use any navigator that you want, search for Crunchyroll. Once you do that, make sure that you click on the first link. And then once you're here, this is how the website looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top right corner. Right here, you're going to find account menu, click on it. And under it, you're going to find create account, log in, and lastly, gift card. And 14-day free trial if you want. So I'm going to click on log in. And then right here in log in, you can log in using your email or username. But as you can see guys, there is no option to log in using a phone number. You can also create your account from here. Once you click here, just type your email address, the password that you want to create, and then make sure that you check I want all the latest Crunchyroll infos, offers, and you if you want, and then click on create account. It's super easy to create. So for example, I'm gonna log in to my Crunchyroll account with my email address and then type in the password right here and then click on login. So once you log in, this is how it will look like. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.